on all three of these, it's got the equal to part. So if you remember, if it was less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, we had a solid line. All right. But if it was less than or greater than, then we had the dotted line. Okay. So that could vary depending on whatever problem you happen to get. Okay. Now on this one, I'm going to go ahead and do this in red. If you do my shortcut, if you have the stuff memorized, like this is your A coefficient, your B coefficient, your C coefficient. All right. If you've got your X and Y intercept memorized, you can real quickly graph this, right? Your x-intercept, all right, here, let's move that over so I got plenty of room, is what? C over A. So 6 over 2 is going to give me a 3. So I know the x-intercept's at 3, and it took me about 2 seconds to do that. Y-intercept, if I have it memorized, C over B, 6 over 1, my y-intercept's 6. Okay, so real quickly, that's, to me, that is way faster than trying to rewrite that in slope-intercept form. Okay, however, you can do it any way you want. Okay, so y-intercept is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and then 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so even if you don't have graph paper, you could roughly sketch this out. Okay, and solid line because it's less than or equal to. All right, and then I need to test 0, 0 to see which side I shade. All right, now hopefully you can like kind of do this in your head, right? If I plug 0 in here and 0 in here, I'm going to have 0 plus 0. So 0 is less than 6. Yep, 0 is less than 6, so I'm shading this way. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and color code all of this. All right, so x greater than or equal to -4 when it's x. All right, go to the x-axis, go to that number. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then draw an up and down line through that. Okay, so that'll be a vertical line. Okay, and then this says x is greater than -4. So where are the numbers that are greater? To the right-hand side. So I'm shading this way. All right, and then for your y, okay, it says y is less than 4. So go to your y-axis, go to the number 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then draw a horizontal line. Okay, and then it says y is less than 4. So where are the numbers that are less than 4? This way, so I'm shading downward. All right, which means what? Then ultimately, all of this in here is what got shaded quite a bit. Okay, so all of this. So you're not going to be shading like this on your paper. You're going to use paint can and you're going to shade inside there.